Yeah, so good morning, everyone, and my name is Nan Liu, and I'm from Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, and today I'm going to give a shortly introduction of NFDI4Energy. And NFDI4Energy is one of the consortium of NFDI, the Germany National Research Data Infrastructure, and NFDI4Energy will focus on the interdisciplinary energy system research and started in March 2023. And it will cover the whole research and transfer circles of projects in the energy system research. The key objective of the NFDI4Energy are to establish the common research community service to allow the reproducibility, transparency, and reusability of research artifacts. And it will also enable and motivate the involvement of society and promote better collaboration and knowledge transfer between the scientific research institutes and business partners. And NFDI4Energy will also simplify the use of simulation-based model and integrate their service into the broader NFDI ecosystem. And in the following, I will shortly introduce about the FAIR principles. And in the context of research data, the FAIR principles provide a guideline on how to make data more fundable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. And this principle can support best scientific practice. Due to the importances of simulation in energy system research, the scope of NFDI4Energy is not limited to FAIR research data, but also includes applying the FAIR principles to research software, especially for the simulation software artifacts. And to improve the fundability, we will provide a precedent identifier service for FAIR digital objects, and the metadata of FAIR digital objects will be registered within the register of NFDI4Energy, and which are open and easy searchable. And to improve the accessibility and the interoperability, we will in the future develop and standardize the ontologies and terminologies, and this could be used to improve the quality of research data and the software description. And in this way, the metadata become searchable for machine. The metadata become readable for machine as well as for the researcher from the other domains. And we will also focus on the reusability, and especially for the simulation. And the reuse of research data and the research software is often necessary to allow reproducibility and to decrease the development cost. And by standardize the interface based on the defined terminology, the reusability of research data and the research software can be increased. And additionally, we will also provide the improved tools for coupling of simulation, and which can also support the use of the reuse of simulation software as well. So, and if you are interested in our project, and you can contact us by the following ways, and you can also subscribe the newsletter by scanning the QR code here. And thank you so much. Thank you for the interest.